Ooh, this is cooler than I thought this would be. Hey guys, I'm gonna do a really quick unboxing here for you, and I'm in the same clothes because I'm filming multiple unboxings at the same time and not changing my outfit, okay? So I'm gonna do one more quick unboxing for you here, and this one is luxury, but it's not gonna be a fancy unboxing. It's a package unboxing. Whoa, crazy. What are you talking about, Mike? What are you doing? What do you do? Guys, if you're new here, my name is Mike. I love fashion, luxury, designer stuff. I'm a shopaholic, label whore, luxury lover. I have a problem, and I love to shop. And if that's something you're interested in, please stick around and enjoy the video. Yes, it's from Resale, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of this because you know what? This is still nice shit, and I want to do an unboxing here. So we're gonna open it together because why not? I know we all buy stuff from the Real too, or Fashion File, or one of the ones. So this is my real unboxing. Okay, the unboxing. I already tore it open. Super fancy. Nothing much to say here. Got my real ticket. They authenticate every item, sustainability, all that kind of stuff. The receipts, the price. So I got two things. One's coming separately, so it's shipped separately. This is all that stuff. Not very important. Then it comes in this lovely real dust bag, which I have like 1,000 of these and Fashion File ones, and they're so useful. You can use them for everything. Do not throw them away. They're great. It was on like 70% off, also, or like 80% off. On top of that, the actual item itself is like way discounted from what it would normally be in the store. Ooh, this is cooler than I thought this would be. Oh my god. Okay, so it is a extra small, because I'm now an extra small because the large was no weight. Now I'm extra small, and I'm gonna always order extra small. I'm gonna keep saying extra small all the time, extra small, extra small, extra small, because I lost all this weight. I lost like 100 pounds, guys, during COVID, and now I fit in extra small. I'm always gonna say that I'm extra small, I'm extra small, I'm extra small, I'm extra small. So I got an extra small V-neck t-shirt from Dior. And if you guys know, then you know, Dior t-shirts are stupid expensive. I think the only place that's more expensive is like Tom Ford. No, I think Dior has like one of the most expensive shirts. Oh, maybe Chanel. Oh yeah, I saw a Chanel shirt the other day for like $5,100. I was like, anyway, Dior has very expensive shirts. I think they start at like $600 for like the plain shirt. So this is like a printed pattern on top. You can, it's like a painted top pattern in a V-neck in an extra small. And as far as I can tell, it's like in really good condition. I don't see any kind of blemishes, no stains, no things. It was in like very good. I don't know. I think it was very good. Got the Dior label still on. Nice size, extra small. Yeah, it does looks like perfect. No tears, no nutsings, you guys. This could be a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. 100% cotton, made in Italy. Oh, it is so lovely, you guys. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'll do some mod shots right now. I don't know what else to say here. This was like 40 bucks on the Real, and this shirt was probably retailed for at least $600-700. So that's like a 90% savings, more than 90%, $650. 40 bucks would be 90% of 400 bucks. So this is like 95. I don't know. I used to be really good at math. But let's say this was $800. It's 95% off. 95% off. Let's do it that way. Thank you guys so much for listening. I appreciate all of your time. Our time is so valuable. Our time is so precious these days. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. If you did not like this video, please share it with your enemies and bosses. Thanks.